Hi everyone, good morning. Good morning to my life. Good morning to the world. Good morning to everybody. So I'm here wigless because I want to be. I'm here wigless because I want to be. I've got my makeup done. I'm wearing my literal sports outfit. I don't know why I called it a sports outfit. It's genuinely called a gym outfit because I went to the gym this morning. And I haven't showered yet. I know, disgusting, dirtbag, but it is what it is. I'm gonna take a shower now. I just literally did my face because that's how I like to do my makeup. That's how I like to get ready for the day. I like to do my face first and then I do everything else after. Because I feel like this takes the longest time, but I want my body to be fresh, okay? And tonight I'm going on a date night with my boo. With my boo, my man, my boo. Ooh. But yeah, so I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna go and take a shower because I need to take a shower. And then after that, I'm gonna talk to y'all. You know, we're gonna have a chin wag, we're gonna have a chit chat. I still got the work day to go, so I don't know how much of a chin wag we're gonna have. To be honest, I don't have many meetings, but I don't want to say that too early because who knows, a meeting might just pop into my calendar willy-nilly, you know? So that's the tea on that. So I'm gonna get ready. My arm is hurting because I'm using my big camera today. My other camera's charging. So as you can see, you're getting lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. So I'm gonna catch you on the flip. Let's get ready. Let's do my morning routine. So I'm gonna get myself ready. You're gonna see this in a wig, I guess. But yeah. And also, I want to do a haul. I want to film a haul. So maybe I'll film a haul today. But I don't have the face for the haul right now. Okay, no. I've done part of my makeup. Like, my makeup is slightly done. Slightly done. Also, if anyone knows, like, hair growth treatment, I need to grow the front of my hair because I want it back. I think I did... what did I do? I did braids for such a long time. And it snatched all my edges and some of the front of my hair. And now I want it back. So, who do I go to? Tell me, who do I go to? Because someone's got to give it back to me, right? Okay, this is a lot. This is a lot to take in. There's a lot happening. But anyways, I've done my face. I think I'm going to do a haul. I think I'm going to film a haul tomorrow because your girl has been shoe whopping. And there's hella things that I want to show you. And it's from everywhere, kind of. Yeah, it's kind of from everywhere. I won't show some of it on because some of them are toes, like are to do with my feet, and my feet are not presentable. I'm telling you now, these toes should not be shown to the world. They should be hidden and they should be kept in captivity. But that's the end of my story right now. That's like literally the end of my story. Do you think I should cut my hair? Like, I think I could kind of just be bald for a while. What do you think? Like, I think I could kind of be bald. I kind of would look like an uncle, but I think I could be bald. I'm talking way too much. Context, none of it's here. Let's go. Let's leave. Let's get ready. Okay, y'all, so I'm working now. I've got my laptop, I'm working. Like work 9 to 5, like work, not like work, more like working 9 till 5, what a way to make a living. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna be heads down for the next couple hours. Right now, my day is very back end heavy, so all of my meetings are towards the end of the day, which it's not my preference, but also, you know what, I like having the morning to myself because then I can do things like this, you know, I can vlog, and it's not even me, like, this is not even something that I do on a daily because I don't even vlog on a daily. This is just something that I'm doing. But since you're here and I want to talk to you about something, actually, do you know what, let me bring my camera down so I'm not looking up like you're sunning me or something, you know. One, I want to say welcome to everybody to my channel. So I've just hit 500 subscribers, yay, and I'm very excited about that. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what this channel grows into, what it becomes, because honestly I've been on and off this channel since 2018. I haven't really been, sometimes I give it hella love, other times I won't. Sometimes I give it hella love, and I'm just like, you know what, like, why not try to go for it, see what happens. So that's what I'm doing. And my actual career goal, I'm putting this out into the universe, and then they hear it, catch it, make it, you know, make it be, and then afterwards I can, you know, live it out. I actually want to be a content creator. Like, that is the dream of dreams, okay? Because this is one life, and I want to live it, and I want to do all the things that I want to do. I don't want to just keep on, I don't want to live a life of regret, essentially, you know. So far I feel like my life has been pretty regret free, which has been great, and now I'm just working my way, I'm trying to work my way up. So I want to do a series, because I'm so in my head about everything. I'm a Capricorn girl. I overthink. I be overthinking. I be thinking about funking. Like, that's how much I think. Like, it's just thoughts. Like, my brain just doesn't stop going. Like, even though I'm talking to you, there's like a gazillion, there's like 16 other tabs going, like, blinking at me in my head. So I'm a Capricorn, so I think a lot. So I'm in my head a lot. So when it comes to creating content and stuff like that, you need to be shameless. But what am I? Full of shame. And how does that work, you know? No, actually, do you know what? I wouldn't say I'm full of shame, because I do some stuff in the streets. Not like that, but I do some stuff in the streets. Oh, someone emailed me. So I'm trying to translate the person in my head to the person who I see myself being in my head, to the person who is living out loud, living proud, living happy, you know? So I'm doing a series. I'm going to start a series called Journey to Shamelessness, which is going to be on my channel. We're going to start going at it. We're going to start going for it, because honestly, shamelessness is like, in some cases, shamelessness is a blessing and a curse. Shamelessness is a blessing because you don't care. You don't care. You don't pay anyone any mind. You do exactly what you want, and you do it freely. But on the other hand, some people do need to be shamed for other reasons. Say, for example, you say that you don't shower. You shower once a week, but you gym 5 times a week. Shame. You do pits and privates when you're a grown person. Shame. You know? Pits and privates when you're a grown person is fine if you need to do it. Say for camping. Pits, privates. Do what you need to do. Especially if you're in a relationship. Shame. Because you're subjecting not only yourself but your partner to your funky bits. So, I don't know how we got here. But anyways. I'm doing a journey to shamelessness. And we're working on it. We're working on becoming shameless. So it's going to go in steps, because I need steps. So I'm going to lay out a little journey for myself, and I'm going to take you along on the ride. And I think today is going to start because, one, I'm vlogging today. Two, my other one is I'm vlogging without a wig. I'm like, honestly, in my day-to-day life, I don't care. Actually, no. I have insecurities about my hair, but that's because of the front. Okay, but other than that, I love my hair. But putting it on camera, putting it on YouTube, putting it, you know, So today I'm gonna go on a little day-to-day, like I told you, with my boo thing, and I'm gonna try and vlog in public. So it's gonna be very interesting. I'm very excited, but also kind of scared. But the thing is, you know, the funny thing is that no one cares, because you see some people walking, doing their thing. You see some people doing TikToks in the street, but really and truly nobody cares. But I think that everybody's eyes on me. Why? Because I got one little 500. Let me not even minimize my accomplishment. 500 subscribers. That's an accomplishment in itself. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. and I will catch you on the flippity flip. I'm gonna get back to work and this vlog will continue. Let's go. Ready, and I'm actually making pizza. So I'm making pizza dough at the moment. So this is what it looks like. It doesn't look like much because it's literally like, so I have to make this thing called Polish, I'm not sure. And I put that in the fridge for 24 hours, actually more than 24 hours. I put it in for like 36. The recipe says 24, but I put it in for 36. And now I'm trying to soften it using water. And then after that, I'm gonna put in more flour and I'm just gonna go through it. So I was like, maybe let me document this, because sometimes I can be a real Martha Stewart, or whoever the black version of Martha Stewart is. Like, I can be that person. And listen, and I was telling my friends, and I was like, listen, when I'm sad or when I have like things going on internally, you can tell that I'm sad because I want to cook, I want to bake, I want to do all of these things. And I'm not saying that I'm sad, because I'm not, but I'm just like, I just want to cook.